doing, everybody? All right, we're gonna do a simple back, and I want to show you a secret on backing up. First of all, we're gonna back into our trailer, and for anybody that doesn't know how we back our trucks to the trailer, how we line them up, we take our wheel, we line it up with the trailer. We back under it. Okay, now hopefully I'm gonna have a split screen of this so that you guys can see two different angles at the same time. See, we've got our wheels lined up outside of the wheel, even with the trailer. Listen for the click. Now we know we're hooked, but what we're gonna do is put it in drive, give it a little tug test. All right, it's in drive. Now we hook up our blue and red to blue and red, color coded. This is our electrical, hooks up our lights. And I'm even going to throw in quick landing gear roll up. I know a lot of people does it like this. I'm not going to do it like that. I'm going to take two fingers, put them right here, spin. Much faster method. Got a little hook here, hang it on. All right, now all I'm gonna do is just back up a straight line. I'm gonna snake it a little bit. We got the drone in the air, so like I said, this is gonna be a split screen. It's gonna be a split screen so that you can get the view of my hands. Because in driving, when you want to back up your trailer, we'll do a pre-trip on another day. Today we're just concentrating on the backing up. Okay. You know, there's complicated ways to back up. There's easy ways. If you take your one hand, put it on the bottom of your steering wheel, the direction you want your trailer to go, that's the direction you turn it. That's it. That's all there is to it. And I learned this a long time ago, and I want to share it with you guys. Like I said, hopefully I'm going to put up a split screen, not a picture-in-picture, but a split screen. Okay, now we've got a van behind us, so we're not going to be able to back up a great deal. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to back it up to the left, and then I'm going to back it up to, I'm just going to snake it a little bit, just enough to show you guys. Hopefully you can see it good. Maybe. Not real sure. Alright, this is all you gotta do. Now if we want to go to the left, what we're going to do is put our hand on the steering wheel. We're going to turn it to the left. Now the sharper we want to turn, the more we will turn it. But if we just want to turn a little bit, then we're just going to turn it a little bit. Okay. So we're going to go, well, we'll wait till that car moves. Alright, we're just going to go a little bit to the left. See, that's as easy as it is to get the trailer going the direction you want it to. Then to straighten it out, you're going to want to bring it back this way. So that's the way you turn from the bottom. Now we're straight again. We want to go this way. We want to go that way, so we turn the steering wheel that way. We want to straighten it back up, so we got to turn the steering wheel back. That's all it is. You want it to go that way, turn that way. Now let's do it again, just in case. Alright, I want my trailer to go this way this time. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my wheel this way. The more you turn it, the sharper it's going to turn, the quicker it's going to turn. The less you turn it, the less quick it's going to turn. And that's all there is to when you want to back up a trailer. The direction you want it to go in, that's the way you turn, holding from the bottom. You have to make sure and hold from the bottom of the steering wheel. You want to go this way, you turn this way. That's it. See, it goes straight into the turn. And like I said, the farther you need to turn it, then the farther you need to go with your wheel. The less you need to turn it, the less you go with your wheel. And it's pretty simple. Hopefully it shows up on the drone, you know, pretty good. That's what I'm hoping. That's all you have to do when it comes to backing up your trailer. I'm pretty sure I got you angled that there good. We want to go this direction, so we're going to watch that direction. Turn our wheel this way. There we go. Straight that direction. Now I'm going to straighten it back up, so we have to turn it back opposite. It's pretty simple. That's it. That direction, that way. That direction, that way. Hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully I've showed you something that maybe you didn't know, and if you did know it, that's great. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about it. And like I said, we're going to try to do a split screen to where the GoPro is on one side, hopefully this side, and not the GoPro, but the drone, and the GoPro on this side. Either or, I'm trying to do it to where it's not a picture-in-picture. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Leave me a comment. Let me know if that's what you do when you back up, if you've never heard of this before. Yes, it will work on all trailers, not just big truck, any trailer. If you haven't subscribed, do that. Flip that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next go around. Thanks for watching.